G'day guys, Ninja, and we've got Farnsey on the table here today. He's not going to show you.
Hello guys. Hey.
This is the dent. You remember that dentist ad? You know, this is my
Exactly.
dentist. There we are. So this is probably the most common treatment that we actually do here at MMT. So a lot of people today are stressed. They're sitting, driving, you know, desk jobs, things like that. So it's here that cops it up into your head, in your shoulder blade. So we're going to show that treatment, and then Farnsey's going to show us a couple of exercises, a couple of things to think about to do at home, so you can kind of stop it getting to the point where it really impacts your life and gets to the point where it's really painful. So what I'm going to do is start here on that border of the scapula, the shoulder blade, and I'm going to work the tendons inside that shoulder blade. So we're going to warm that up for a start, so we don't move too much until that tissue starts to dissolve a little bit. So weight on there, and right away there's a connection, there's a pain that resonates with people when I'm working on that bit there. But you got to kind of not go too hard from the start, because it can be overwhelming, and we don't want to get in that flight and fight kind of situation where we're trying to kick them out or run away. So we've got to get them to welcome it in, because they know they're going to be better in the future. So they've got to surrender. Even though it is painful, they recognise it as good pain. So through there, I'm just starting to melt it a bit now, so I can work through. I'm just trying to let the light in, and so you see I might have a hand here or do that kind of thing. So I can really engage, and this other hand actually can help me engage even more and drive right into those tendons that are inside that shoulder blade. So I'll check in with you now, even though I should have checked in 10 minutes ago. How you going, man?
Going well.
Yeah. It's what you need.
Oh yeah. Oh.
This is actually something that Farnsey has felt building up a bit in here. So he's a left-hander as well, so you probably so he probably does use this hand a lot more in his life. So
I'm a left-handed cricket player, footballer, right-handed guitar player, and I'm right-handed as well. So a little bit ambidextrous.
Yeah, I'd give me left arm to be ambidextrous. You like that one?
Oh, mate.
Dad jokes.
Yeah, you're trying to camouflage the pain. I know what you're doing.
Well, anything that works gets you through it, you know. Bad jokes.
That's okay.
Helps the session go a bit quicker.
It does. Oh, good.
Yeah, in there, like that. So I'm just starting to cruise down here now. Like that.
Yeah.
So a little bit of pain or tension I can feel in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Another good one. So I'm just really trying to trace that scapula so I can hit those tendons where they join on, and that's where the pain is hiding. Oh. So we need to kind of go where the pain is.
Stopping the flow, yeah?
Yeah, we're trying to get it back so the body can heal itself. That's what we're all about here, you know, healing. So yeah, you don't get the healing by avoidance.
No, it's so true.
You know, the healing's in, you know, confronting the pain. I've got it written on my back. I think pain is an invitation to evolve. So yeah, we can either run away from the pain and all the lessons that life is trying to throw at us, or we can confront it and learn the lessons and take away the gold and get rid of the crap, the waste product. So I'm just trying to work into these tendons in here. So yeah, you can see if I can find a good one. I've probably released off quite a bit of stuff already just with that opening stroke. That feels like a good spot there that could use some work, a bit of love. So we're just waiting on there, waiting for that to melt. And then once that kind of gets to the bottom, you can kind of sense that you're at the bottom of where you can go to. Then you can kind of scoop it out. Yeah, it's in there. That feels like a really good angle to hit. scoop along there. Like that. Do another one in here. Just there, man. I can really sense that.
Yeah. Oh, mate. What was that saying that is it discomfort is pain leaving the body, or what's it saying?
Yeah, something like that. Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Yes, exactly.
So I'm just going to do some stuff along the occiput there. How's that light? See that there?
Okay.
If you want to go around the other side, I can kind of do this thumb like that. I can get into that under the occiput.
Now I know how my clients feel.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's really good to get that.
That is good.
Sympathy and empathy.
Yeah.
We know the difference. I looked up the difference.
Yeah.
So if I'm sympathetic, I can say, I can understand how that would be really hard for you.
Yeah.
But when you're empathetic, you feel it.
Yeah.
I can feel your pain, and you it's transference into you.
Yeah.
So as practitioners, we don't want to be empathetic so much because we don't want to go to water. We want to be a rock for people.
Yeah.
So we don't want to be cold. We want to kind of understand how that must be hard to be enduring the pain and the restriction and the discomfort and things like that. But if we are empaths, we kind of feel it. We just go to the same kind of level that the person's at, and that's not that helpful, So we want to sympathise and help guide them back to strength and resolve the things, confront their issues and resolve them, understand them, and then heal. So it's a better way to kind of look at things. So just gonna go in here. Maybe I'll come around this side. I'll just show you the scoop. Yep. We'll just pretend I'm on this side.
Sure.
So I'm in here like that. So I've just swapped my hand. So I was clearing along there like that. And then I kind of just swap over. And then I can feel that good one just there, man. It hasn't been warmed up. I won't go too hard on it. So right in underneath the skull, like that.
Feels good.
And then with this hand, I can scoop it out like that. So it's just a scooping kind of motion. And it doesn't even look like you're moving. You're just changing angle. And that's what it takes to scoop it out. So so that's the nuts and bolts of a upper back and neck treatment. So inside the shoulder blades where a lot of things are hiding, it's upper trap here and then right along here, and we can kind of clear along the skull and then scoop it out a bit. So segue to Farnsey, he's going to show us a couple of things. For desk workers and things like that. Do you want to sit up and?
No, I want to just sleep.
He just wants to sleep. He's fixed.
Makes me want to stay.
He's fixed.
Unbelievable. Okay. All right.
I'll be your fluffer.
Your fluffer.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I tell my clients to do is, specifically if they're sitting behind a desk and working, you get so engrossed in your work and you're leaning forward and you're not really thinking about your posture. So what I've said to them is to think about what they're doing. So every now and then just pull their chin towards their spine, just to be aware of their posture, but hold it 5 seconds, then push against your hand while you're trying to hold your chin back. You'll feel tension there, then relax and pull it in and do the same. Do that about 4 or 5 times, but do it 4 or 5 times during the day. So the purpose is to try to release that tension, build up a tension in the back of your neck. But secondly, more importantly, think about your posture. Because if your posture is aligned, then you're not going to suffer so much pain. So always look after yourself. It's not only sitting behind desks, it's also people with their phones. And you see them walking down the street or even at home, and their heads just gets lower and lower looking at their phones, and sitting there for a couple of hours doing that, the weight that is that you accumulate is huge. So you can get you know, like 15 kilograms worth of weight equivalent to that, the pressure that you feel on your muscles. So you want to alleviate that. So this sort of treatment that Ninja has done, plus doing the exercises just to release that, will help you. So it's a combination of both things. All right, guys.
Thanks,
you,
Barnsey.
Ninja. Thanks for the treatment.
Yeah, you fixed.
Fixed.
Do your work though as well, guys.
Exactly.
Get off your phone a bit. What do you reckon?
Talk to someone.
Talk to someone, a real person, a human.
Yeah, make it your goal is you'll talk to 10 people in a week instead of 100 people through your messenger.
Yeah. Get it done.
Get it done.
Do the reps.